guys, let's make this amazing PowerPoint slide in just 3 minutes. Plus, you can download this free template from the link in the description below. So let's start. The first thing you have to do is insert the text box in which you're gonna add minus and change its font to road rage font. You can download it from Chrome extension, and next you're gonna increase its size and make it larger. The next thing you're gonna do is cover it with the rectangle. Select the rectangle, send it to the back, and then intersect it along with the shape. You're gonna remove its outline and rotate it like this, and duplicate it, and then rotate it to the opposite side. Similarly, we're gonna rotate it again and again to make some space for the image. So we're gonna just oppositely rotate them. That's it. And we're going to change the format bit background to a picture background, and let's just insert an image from the or like the images. So let's just give it some offset so that we can adjust our image without using the crop option. Cover the entire slide with a rectangle and then send it to the back. Change its fill to white, remove its outline. Select these rectangles, go to format shape and give them slide background fill, and increase their size so that we can clearly see the background image and the main part of it is visible. As you can see, this picture doesn't fit rightly, so I'll just change the image. Let's use this image. Yeah, so this one. Next, what you're gonna do is select it and move it if you want and give it a shadow on the fifth number. And then you add your text box in which you're gonna write your text and also customize it, and then you're gonna add some other content text. So I'm just adding these boxes in which I'll just add some random text, and further I'll add my content text as well. Next, what we're going to do is just give a vibe animation to all of these images one by one. And the next thing we're going to do is select all of them and then give them vibe animation. Go to animation pane, select one by one all of them, leaving one of them in between, and give them the left right side animation. And for the remaining ones, we're going to give them the left side animation. So here you go, select all of them and click on after previous option, and so this is a result of what we made. Let's just give it 75 seconds of working, and here you go. So this is the final result, and if you like this video, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also hit the bell icon.